Hi, I'm Salka Bico, and I will be discussing or answering the F's from Module 14, Interviewing for Radio. I will discuss the principles for effective interviewing for radio. First principle, choose a manageable and relevant topic. Select a specific and interesting angle of the topic that can be covered within the allotted time. Avoid overly broad subjects that may confuse the audience. Example, instead of discussing climate change, focus on how climate change is affecting local farmers. Second, define clear objectives. Be clear about what you want to achieve with the interview. Identify the specific information, ideas, or opinions you want to gather, and keep these objectives in mind throughout the interview. Example, if the topic is water conservation, the objective could be to inform listeners about practical ways to save water at home. Next, conduct thorough research. Gather sufficient background information on the subject and the interviewee. This ensures the interviewer is well informed and avoid asking ignorant or irrelevant questions. Before interviewing a local farmer about organic farming, for example, research the methods they use, the challenges they face, and the benefits of organic farming. Next, prepare questions in advance. Write down questions and arrange them in a logical order. Avoid yes or no questions and focus on open ended questions that elicit detailed responses. For example, open ended question: what challenges do you face in implementing organic farming practices? Avoid yes no questions such as, do you face challenges in organic farming? Next, use clear and focused questions. Frame a question or questions. Simply stick to the one point at a time. Avoid double questions or leading questions that may confuse the interviewee or bias their response. Example, clear question: what are the benefits of using organic fertilizers? Avoid double questions. What are the benefits of using organic fertilizers, and do you think they are better than chemical ones? Next, establish rapport with the interviewee. Build a connection with the interviewee through a pre interview chat. This helps put them at ease and sets the tone for a relaxed and open conversation. Begin with a friendly greeting and ask about their day or their work before starting the interview. Next, maintain control of the interview. Keep the interview focused on the topic and prevent the interviewee from digressing. Use bridging techniques to steer the conversation back on track if necessary. If the interviewee starts discussing unrelated topics, say, that's interesting, but could we go back to discussing the impact of GMOs on small farmers? Next, make the interview spontaneous and conversational. Avoid rehearsing the interview or allowing the interviewee to read from a script. Spontaneity makes the interview more engaging and authentic. Instead of asking the interviewee to prepare a speech, encourage them to share their thoughts naturally during the conversation. Next, involve the audience. Ensure the interview is relevant to the audience needs and interests. Ask questions that address their concerns and use examples that resonate with their experiences. In a program for farmers, example, ask, what advice would you give to farmers who are struggling with pest control? Next, end with a strong finish. Conclude with interview with a bold and empathic statement or question that reinforces the main message. For example, thank you for sharing your insights. Before we end, what is the one piece of advice would you give to our listeners about water conservation? Some additional tips for conducting a radio interview: be objective. Avoid expressing personal opinions or making judgments during the interview. Second, control the pace. Ensure the interview flow logically and maintains the audience interest. Next, use notes sparingly. Avoid reading questions directly from notes to maintain eye contact and spontaneity. Next, be prepared for equipment issues. Test all equipment before the interview to avoid technical problems. Next, thank the interviewee. Show appreciation at the end of the interview to leave a positive information or an impression, I mean. To conclude, effective interviewing for radio requires careful planning, preparation, and execution. By following these principles, interviewers can create engaging, informative, and impactful interviews that resonate with their audience and achieve their communication objectives. Thank you.